nice when they're clean, don't they? It's over here walking stupid. What's up, buddy? Say hello. What's up, guys? Long time. It's all right, though. You know, I hope everyone was enjoying this summer. Just to let you know, a little disclaimer, if I burp out of nowhere, it was because I just sucked down about, how many come in a pack? 9 out of 10 mac and cheese bites from the Outback. And I also had a center cut steak along with some French fries. So, and now I'm doing a video. So if I, you know what I mean? Just understand that. That's all. Nothing crazy. So I'm doing a Morimoto headlight update and fog light update. I got the Morimotos about almost 3 years ago, September 2019. I'll put the original video down below. Got a lot of views, helped out a lot of people for the install. This is just an update. What I'm gonna do is just show you guys the lights. They look brand new. They look the same as they did when I got them. Dude, they're still awesome. Nothing but good things to say. They're bright as hell still. Let's go check them out. Yeah, I just gave the baby a bath, man. She's so clean, so nice. So nice and clean. Well, here they are, almost 3 years old and just immaculate. So these specific ones aren't exactly 3 years old. The first set I got, and you might have heard about it, the Morimotos, the original ones when they first came out, the XBs, they had melting going on because the sun was hitting the projector and shooting onto this shelf right here. Not a crazy amount of melting, just a little ripple here and there. So these headlights specifically are about maybe a little over 2 years old. All right, sorry, I had to go back and look at my videos. This set specifically is about 2.5 years old, almost 2 3/4 years old, almost 3 years old. So I had mine replaced a couple months after they started melting. So let's just say they're 2.5 years old, whatever. All right, back to my update. So I turned the light on so you can see in there nice. Yeah, they're just like they were, you know, 2.5 years ago when I got them. Almost 3 years ago. I'm just gonna say 3 years at this point because I think it was about 3 years. So I made the video for the melting in December 2019. It's 2022, it's almost December, so maybe I'll say 2.5 years. But yeah, they're mint. They're a little bit, let's get some bug juice on them. But other than that, they're just mint. And these are the fog lights down here. Those are mint as well. You think these things would start shipping because all the road rocks coming up, they're strong, man. They're very resilient. Still sweet. And yeah, same with these. Very resilient. Some people have put coatings over them to protect them, but they're mint. They're still pretty sweet. Yeah, there's the Ram Pro Master. Third transmission. Anyway, that's a different video. But yeah, they're I'm extremely happy with these. Extremely happy. And they make the truck look awesome, dude. Like, I got chrome. I didn't think it was gonna look with chrome. It looks sick. I love it. I absolutely love the front end. I'm not really a chrome guy, but you know, it is what it is. I think it looks fine. A lot of other people have the chrome grille with the Morimoto headlights. They love it. Roji got it. Mark Roji. Rogier. However you spell his name. I still can't say it to this day. I've known him for 6-7 years. But what it does is it just makes your truck look sick. Every time you come out, you're like, yes. Like, I know they're expensive, but they're worth every penny. Absolutely every penny. And I got the stock tail lights. Well, this is a Laramie, so it came with, you know, LED tail lights, and I think they're fine. They go with the truck. Whew, 90 degrees today, it's hot. They're bright. They're a different kind of bright because when you're on the highway and you're driving and you put your beams on, you slap your high beams on, signs down miles away, they really brighten up signs incredibly. They brighten up the road better. I had the halogen projectors on here, stock Laramie headlights. Those were okay. Those are kind of yellowish and they weren't as good. These things, the Morimotos, are nice. I've had no problems at all. I had a little glitch. I think Michael May had the same glitch. The notification came up on the screen on the dash and it said lamp out. And when it first came on, I'm like, fucking get out of the truck. I'm looking over, I'm like, ain't no lamp out. My directionals worked fine. So that was a little glitch I had for about, I'd say 2 weeks, 3 weeks maybe 4 weeks, and it went away on its own. So it never came back. That was probably a year ago. I don't know if it mapped itself out or what, but other than that, these things have been fine. Like I said, the first set I had started rippling because the sun melting. And ever since I got the new ones, and these are the ones they spit out now in production, you know what I mean? These are the ones you get, and they're mint. And I know they're expensive. They're, you know, they can go up to $50, $60, $100 retail, but you can get them a lot cheaper from 2-3 Designs. I'll push his name out. Michael May at 2-3 Designs. I'll put his link below. I got him for a very, very good price from him. I'll put his link below on Instagram and Facebook. But yeah, nothing but good things to say. I love the headlights. They really changed the appearance of the truck. I got people that message me all the time. They're like, hey, I want to bite the bullet. They're kind of expensive. I'm like, just do it, man. Do it. It's worth it. It's worth every penny. It transforms the front of the truck. It just looks so good, dude. Like, it really does. And from far away, you look like a 5th gen kind of, you know, because you got the daytime running light. I'll turn them on real quick so I can show you in case somebody new's here. But, you know, if you're doing a build, it really finishes off the truck. You know, if you're lowering your truck down especially. This is stock height. I prefer it stock height. But let me show you the, let me just turn it on. Let me turn it around real quick. All right, I'll show you the daytimes real quick. Those are the daytime running lights. When you wire them up properly, that's what you see. Then I'll slap on the next step up, running lights, or whatever you call them, initial lights, whatever the heck you want to call them. So what that does, it dims out the daytime running lights a little bit and gives you the side markers. And it looks sick at night. It's a dusk right now, but it looks sick at night. And let me slap on the headlights. Headlights, and it's fully lit up. And these things look good. These things look good on lifted trucks, slam trucks, stock height trucks. This is stock height. I think it was great. So, I almost burped. Almost burped. Woo! That's some Pepsi too. Oh, shout out to Spence at Core 4x4 real quick. Hey Spence, how you doing? Good. And shout out to Joey Bellagio as well. Me and Joey were the pioneers of getting these on trucks. You know what I mean? Shout out to Matt Fickak, he sells them now. Hello to everybody in the group. I'm not gonna sit here and list off names, man, it's gonna take too long. Back to the lights. So yes, the lights are mint. Almost a 3-year update. I'm extremely happy. They work great. I love them. Makes your truck look great. They turn heads. It really makes your truck look unique. That's for damn sure. So there's the quick video on the lights. Morimoto Headlights, XB headlights. I'll put the original video I had in the description. That way, if you do think about getting them, you can watch that for the install. It's a pretty good install video. It shows everything, where to plug this and plug that, and unplug this and unplug that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Peace!
That t-shirt's hot damn sexy. Hot damn.
Ripping, bro. Like, it's just ripping.